quick video about a couple of things that I've learned about this LaTrax Alias from many flights since I got it. I love it, by the way. I have a couple of them now. I bought used. I didn't want to pay the $100 or whatever, so I got them for around 70. If you look around, you can get them in good shape for that. But the first thing I want to tell you was a little hack I did on the remote because I got tired of setting it down or trying to hold it in an uncomfortable way each time. So I used some electrical tape and put a zip tie on there, and then I put my lanyard on that and hang it from my neck, and it's much more convenient when it's time to change a battery. Another thing that is need to know, absolutely need to know about this quadcopter is that the motors that LaTrax makes suck. I'm not going to say that they make them to burn out, so you have to buy 100 of them a month or whatever. I'm just going to say they suck and get something else. Now what I've done is I picked up some Micromotor Warehouse, just the fast ones, not the super fast or whatever they are that make your batteries last for a minute. And they have a really good time in terms of lasting. Okay guys, they have good power and they keep going. But another tip that is a great tip, and you can get these motors that I'm going to talk about now really cheap, and I suggest you buy a bunch. You're going to have to do a little rewiring. They don't come wired perfectly for what we want to do here, but it's worth it. And that's motors for the MJX X400, any model. You know, the W, whatever you can get your hand on. You know, it doesn't matter. They all use the same motor, I think. And man, they just last and last and last. I've been flying these for weeks and weeks, and you can land in the grass and do the various things you can never get away with the LaTrax motors, and they'll keep on going. They won't burn out. They won't do that thing where it drops out of the air and you wonder what's going on, and then you find out that your one of your motors is burned out unceremoniously. But anyway, there's a couple tips I want to tell everybody because you don't see this on YouTube. And I imagine people just keep using the same motors and paying and don't do it. And this is a great hack. Definitely do something similar anyway, so you don't have to set this thing down every time. Okay guys, a little shout out to Frequent Flyer and DJ Soul Force, a couple of my YouTube buddies that I really enjoy their reviews and videos, and I want to just give them a quick shout out. Okay, thanks, bye.